Hi, welcome to Elizabeth's Workshop, or back to Elizabeth's Workshop. Today we're gonna do part 2 of our, of course, monster truck. We're not yet to the paint.
But that's okay, right?
Yep.
All right. So, you got something in your hand. What do we need to do with that?
So what we need to do is we need to glue this on right over here.
All right.
So my dad will help me, I think.
Of course I'll help you.
One time I made a big mess with this glue. But it's okay. And my dad cleaned it up. So it's no worries.
So that will snap really tightly on the front. So one thing we'll do, go ahead and put a little glue on the back. So, right here.
Okay.
Okay.
There.
And then on this side, in the corner. All right. So, let's put the cap on this, please.
So we were putting glue on this. Now it needs to dry.
Well, I'll show you something.
My dad's gonna go get something. I have a clamp, just so you know. We had built a launcher before. Remember that last video? Well, it didn't go quite as well as we remembered, but it's okay. We're building the new one. That was just a practice round.
So, one thing you can do with the glue, see how it kind of globbed like that? We'll take
Yeah.
popsicle stick.
Yeah, we're gonna take a popsicle stick and kind of, smooth it out.
Spread it out, spread it, push
I
it
mean,
where you
spread
want.
it out. Sometimes I get lost in words, but sometimes I never know what the word. You see how I'm grabbing something? Well, it's a big tire. I know you've never seen a big
Elizabeth,
tire like that.
can you put a line of glue along this?
Yes.
Right here?
Yes. Right here.
Down here.
Oh, down here.
Just a little bit.
Come on.
Because the front was all globbed up.
The front was all gobbled up, so
Much
I
better.
couldn't put any glue. But then my dad fixed it. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, Ivor. So, what do you think the reason for putting it on the inside and not the outside is?
Because this thingy right here, it can easily fall off, and it's a tight fit.
You're right, it could fall off, but by putting the glue on the inside, you don't see the glue on the outside.
Yeah, exactly. My dad's a mechanic, just so you know that. My papa's his dad.
Okay, so, while we're up front, we're not quite there yet. It's exciting to put that there, huh?
It's a big process.
So let's put the tailgate on,
Just
shall
so
we?
you know. Yep.
You want me to pop it in and you glue it?
Yeah. Sometimes I get a little bit distracted, but it's okay. Sometimes kids get distracted a lot.
So then on this one, put some glue here.
So then we're gonna put some glue where again?
In the corners here.
In the corners.
There you go. All right, other corner. All right, so we'll take our popsicle stick and smooth this out.
Yeah, we definitely need to smooth it out. You see, I put a little too much glue. It was just an accident. My mom's cleaning my room. Just so you know that.
She's doing a fantastic job.
Yeah, she's doing a fantastic job.
Okay, so next we have the front bumper.
Yep, now we have the front bumper.
So we'll put a little glue. So do you want to slide the front bumper on?
Yep.
So pop that in place.
Oops.
I'm gonna make sure these are. There we go.
See? And that's how you put the front bumper on.
Then again, we'll put a bit of glue.
Yep. Bit of glue. You see, my dad's doing it because I make a little bit of a mess.
Well, you're the host and I'm the helper, so.
Yeah, he's the helper. So I like it when he does that.
Another nice thing about catching the glue on a stick, our next step is to put the little dowels.
Oh yeah, the dowels. I almost forgot to show you.
Over here. Dowels.
Oh, dowels.
A dowel is around.
These are dowels, and this is my favorite part, the paint. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different colors. Red, green, blue, black, and yellow.
Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Would you like to put
Yes.
the dowels in?
Yes, please. So right now, we are going to put the dowels in. I don't know why they call it that.
I don't know why a dowel is called a dowel, but that's what it's called. Sometimes it helps to twist.
You see, it's long enough because if they call it a dowel, it goes through here. Like for example, like that one.
So, see the excess glue? We'll just dab that right on the end.
And boom. We should have just put a blob of glue on there and just spread it all around.
So now what we'll do is we'll twist that.
Okay.
So the glue gets all in there, and that's all you need.
Yep. And that's all we need.
All right, you ready to do the next one?
Yep. So right now, we're doing the next one.
There's 3 dowels in total for the bumper.
Exactly, Dad. Just so you know, watch what you're in for. Just so you know.
Sometimes you really don't know what you're in for.
I know.
All right, now we
It's
go to the
weird.
center.
Sometimes you don't want. Sometimes you don't know what you don't not want. So, sorry.
Well,
I
the
lost
box
some words.
showed it screwed together.
Yeah.
But I guess that was just pictures.
Yeah,
Just gets glued together.
it was supposed to be like screwed together, but whoever sent it to us lied and do glue instead.
All right. There's that one.
And there's that one.
Now for number 3.
Should I pop the last one? So right now I'm popping the last one in.
Nice and straight.
Nice and straight. Sorry, it's a little bit too hard.
So you have to do it straight. That's why it's not going. Just kind of work it down a little bit. There we go. I'm twisting as I'm pushing.
So, if you want to do this at home, ask your daddy or mommy for help. Whoever you have. If your grandma and papa died, just ask your parents. Like my dad or your mom.
Now the stick is pretty much out. We'll put a little dab will do you. And then we'll twist this in now.
So on Friday night,
Elizabeth, no. We don't talk about Friday night.
I didn't get any sleep.
You didn't get any sleep? Oh, that's too bad.
And my mom let me skip school.
Oh, Elizabeth.
Sorry, forget what I was saying.
Okay, so we have that on. And then next up for this video,
So
we are
next
going to
video is we're gonna paint it, I guess. No, I guess not.
that would be fun.
Yeah. No, you can't paint things right away without building it first.
So now we have the side rails put on the truck bed.
Hold on. Pause it for a minute.
No. What's wrong?
You dropped the paintbrush.
Okay, well, we're not painting today.
I'm just gonna get it.
So Elizabeth,
Yeah.
let's put a little glue down here, okay?
Okay. Hello.
Along the front.
I hope Papa.
So we use this hand. There you go. Good.
And back. There's Big Tire. Hello, friends. I'm Big Tire. I'm a Big Tire.
Oh, Elizabeth.
Sorry.
I need to stop playing tires, please.
I love tires. This is.
All right. So then this goes on, right?
Mhm.
Right?
Yep.
But
And try not to get distracted.
so then we'll put. You put some glue.
But like I said, I always get distracted. You know what I mean?
Oh, we're running out of glue.
Uh-oh, we're running out of glue.
It's okay, I have a different type of glue.
Oh, I had another type of glue in my room. So we're running out of glue, so I had to go get it.
No, not yet. We're not there yet. Okay? We're still good. Big yawns, huh, kiddo?
Yeah.
Sugar bear.
My dad accidentally spilled. It's okay. Science can be messy.
Well, mechanical work can be messy. This isn't so much science.
Well, this is actually not science. but I just call it that for fun.
Elizabeth, do you want to put some glue up here?
Ooh,
In the corners? No, not there. In the corners. In the corners. Honey bear, in the corner.
oh
Look
yeah,
for that
yeah,
corner.
yeah.
Alright, there we go.
My dad actually did it for me because I didn't know where it was, so he did it for me.
There, that sits in there like that.
And in the next few days, we'll be ready to paint it.
Well, I don't know if we'll be there. I know we'll have to do a third video.
Yeah.
Probably a fourth too.
Okay.
Because this glue has to dry. Right?
Yeah,
So,
the glue has to dry.
What?
But it's okay because we could take another video tomorrow night.
or just a different night.
I
Who
know.
knows?
Yeah.
But, anyways, thanks for joining us.
Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and give a thumbs up. Roll the done. That means done, okay.